Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Although there are several factors triggering a volcanic eruption, three predominate: the buoyancy of the magma, the pressure from the exsolved gases in the magma, and the injection of a new batch of magma into an already filled magma chamber. This lighter magma then rises toward the surface by virtue of its buoyancy. 29 November 1999.
Let's help you make your mark.
Volcanic lightning happens at the beginning of a volcanic eruption. This is no ordinary lightning storm. For volcanic lightning near the ground, research suggests the cause is the rubbing together of individual ash particles, which builds up enough static electricity to generate a lightning bolt. 1 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pacific Ocean. 60% of all active volcanoes occur at the boundaries between tectonic plates. Most volcanoes are found along a belt, called the Ring of Fire, that encircles the Pacific Ocean. Some volcanoes, like those that form the Hawaiian Islands, occur in the interior of plates at areas called hotspots.
Take our lead.
Most of the world's volcanoes are found around the edges of tectonic plates, both on land and in the oceans. On land, volcanoes form when one tectonic plate moves under another. When enough magma builds up in the magma chamber, it forces its way up to the surface and erupts, often causing volcanic eruptions.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire, also referred to as the Circum-Pacific Belt, is a path along the Pacific Ocean characterized by active volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. The majority of Earth's volcanoes and earthquakes take place along the Ring of Fire. 5 April 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.